Welcome RMTech CCNA Practical Labs. In this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration DHCP on a router. For making configuration DHCP on router has several advantages. So if we talk about these advantages, it's a automatic IP assignment, eliminates the need for manual IP configuration, reducing errors. And also it's efficient IP management and it is centralized control, reduced configuration time, dynamic updates, minimizing IP conflicts, user-friendly experience, and also it supports for mobile devices, security features, and so on. So to start in our configuration, we will take in this following steps. First, we will configure IP addresses to the router interfaces. So in this interface, gigabyte 0, we will assign the IP address 192.168.3.0. And this another interface, gigabyte 01, we will assign the default gateway on the router IP address 192.168.4.1. So come this router and select CLI, no enable config interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0 and make on no shutdown exit. Okay, the next interface gigabyte 101 gigabyte 01 gigabyte 01 IP address 192.168.4.1 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Now we finish the configuration IP address to the router interfaces. In our next step, we will create pools, default gateway, and DNS server on the router. So come this router, exit, surface DHCP, IP DHCP pool, sales department, network 192.168.3.0 255.255.255.0. Default gateway on this interface was 192.168.3.1 and DNS server 192.168.3.1. Now we finish in our first pool. Okay, come the next pool. IP DHCP pool, finance department, network 192.168.4.0 192.4.0 255.255.255.0. Default gateway on the router 192.168.4.1 and DNS server 192.168.4.1. Exit and do right. Now we create a two pools. So before we make configuration exclude ranges of IP address, we will test the PCs if they can receive the IP address from the DHCP. So click the PC and come to desktop. As you see in here, in our IP address, it starts 2, 3.2. So come this another interface or bool, and also this another bool, it starts 4.2. So in our last step, we'll make the configuration exclude ranges of IP address. Come to router, first exit, config IPDHCP excluded IP address 192.168.3.1 and 192.168.3.10. The next table IPDHCP excluded IP address 192.168.4.1, 192.168.4.10, and do right. Okay, come this PC, okay, and return static, okay, and then select DHCP. In our first, before we making exclude ranges, it was started from 192.168.3.2, but now it starts 3.11. Okay, come this another bool or another interface. Okay, click the PC and return static, and then click DHCP, and this one also it starts 11. So, and also come this another one, it starts 4.12, and come this another PC, it starts 3.12. So now we finish how to make configuration DHCP on a router. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the next class.